Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for watching in my video presentation today. In this opportunity, I would like to present about acid rain. First, I will explain to you about what is acid rain and how it's caused. Please look at the pictures. What do you see in the picture? Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds such as sulfur dioxide and oxide of nitrogen are released into the air. These substances can rise very high up into the atmosphere when they mix and react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form more excessive pollution called acid rain. Then I will explain to you about what are the effects of acid rain. The ecological consequences of acid rains are seen most strongly in marine habitats, such as streams, lakes, and marine seas where fish and other wildlife can be toxic. Acidic rainwater can lose aluminum from soil clay particles as it falls to the soil and then falls into streams and lakes. Then, what will happen if we don't stop acid rain? Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide as the principal chemical of acid rain. It can also influence humans, such the acid goes into fruits, vegetables, and animals. In other words, we can get really sick if acid rain don't stop and we eat don't stink. In general, acid rain affects men but not directly. Finally, you will know how are three ways to reduce acid rains. Alternative energy sources should be used, such as solar and wind power. Renewable resources of energy are helping to reduce acid rains, as they produce much fewer emissions. There are other electricity resources as well, such as nuclear power, hydropower, and geothermal energy. Among these, the most extensive use is nuclear and hydropower. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.